In this video, we will learn how to create your Facebook app. You need to log into Facebook developers account and then click on My Apps and then click on Create App. And over here, you need to give the name of your app. Our demo app, my demo app. And then you need to click on Create App ID. And then it will ask you for the security check. And then click on Submit. And now we are inside our apps dashboard, and from here you can see over on the left side at the top, that's your web app or the application that we created, that my demo app. And on the right side you can add a product. This product you can add to your application. You can scroll down for more. I'm just going to add this first one, account kit. This will help you or your users to log in without password. They can log in with SMS, phone numbers. And I'm going to use, before I will set up, I will go to dashboard so we can get more information about our app. And over here you can see application rate limit, user rate limit, APS stats. And when you scroll down you can see those again, those add a product section. And you can see over here for more information, application rate limit if you want to. Here is the information about application level rate limiting. And you can see over here it is in development, the status of the application. Then I'm going to click on setting, then on basic. We are just exploring about our app, the information. And when you click on basic, you can see over here our app ID. This is the app secret. If you want to see in plain text, you can click on show, and then the display name and your email and other information. And over here app icon, if you want to set this application icon, you can select it from here, upload it. And over here you can verify your business on Facebook and more information like that. And then I'm going to click on advanced, and you can see over here native or desktop app. You can enable if your app is native or desktop app, and your API version for the app. And if you want to turn on some restrictions, you can do over here, app restrictions. And down here for security, server IP whitelist and client token over here, and more stuff. And if you want to delete, you can delete it from here too. And they are more like rows, blurs. And I will go now. You can explore these if you want to. I can go over here now, app review. This is for if you want to make your application live. I'm not gonna do that now, but after you're done building your application, you can request for live so a user can use it. And now I will go back to our dashboard. You can also view analytics of your app by clicking over here. I will add a product again and select this one for account kit. Just click on setup. Here you can select the platform for your app if you want to build for iOS, Android, or web. I'm going to select for web. And here is a click on product from the left menu of your application dashboard. If you have not yet added account kit in your app, click on setup button for account kit. And over there you can select whether to allow email and SMS login for your app. I'm just going to click now next. And now if you want to configure it in your web application, or here it gives example, you can create a login.html file and import this account kit JavaScript SDK by adding this one in your head code of your HTML. And then over here, if you want to add the UI part, user interface, then you need to copy this code. You can click over here and paste it in your HTML page. And at the end, you can use this one to initialize account kit and set up JavaScript handler for login callbacks. So this one, if you want to integrate into your application, web-based application, and then click on next. And here is an example for a PHP implementation on your web server. You can copy this code to add into your PHP file to handle this login. And if you want to see Node.js implementation on your web server, you can click on next. It will also give you a Node.js implementation, and you can add these codes over there in your app. And at the end, you can customize the UI, customize domain and country codes, customize email colors if you want, and the email template with different colors you can customize over here, and so on. So in this video, we just created our first app and, and learn about its setting and its app ID and how to customize it if you want, and how to add JavaScript code or PHP code or Node.js. So this is easy. I will just go back to my apps again. And over here it will list all the apps that you have created. You can create more apps. And when you click on this one on your app, you can delete your app if you want to. So here all your apps will show up that you have created. You can see its status is not green, so it's in a development, it's not live, so no one can use it right now. After you're done with your app, you need to submit for the review, and if it's approved, then it will be live and user can use it. So this way you can create a Facebook app from Facebook for developers account. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.